Eibaagiro ry'amatungo goona erikushangwa omu Rukiriatete East omu division ya Hoima East rikatandika kwombekwa obu Hoima yabirekire Town Council. Eibaagiro eri ririyo niryombekwa omu Ruburera kurabira omu project ya USMID.
We have been working in an environment where the hygiene of the slaughterhouse, actually it is a slaughter place in Kiriatete, where we have been working, and the market of our business has been not well.
Sylvia Nalumaga ori omuhwezi wa meya ahabwa rurembo rwa Hoima najanga kwombeka eibaagiro eri hati kuri aha bicweka 8 aharigana.
Been having a challenge. Our slaughter place was condemned some time back. It is not all that good, and it has been our prayer that we get a better and a best place.
Ogwaina masiko ngu eibaagiro ryaba ryahwire nirija kongera ha mutindo gw'enyama.
It's going to bring on development because we realize that our business community in Hoima City have been losing out opportunities, especially the oil companies. When it came to suppliers for meat, Hoima was not considered because of our slaughterhouse.
We need to enjoy good and healthy meat. Then the other thing, one of the benefits that I believe, it would be a source of manure to us farmers who have banana plantations.
And this comes at the right timing when we have the oil and gas projects down at the Albertine. So we are sure once the facility is used well, it will supply enough meat to our region.
Abanya-Uganda nibarya metric tons 51,110 ez'enyama okurugirira ha Ministry y'obuhingi n'oburiisa. Gasha kwa Ambrose Nuwagaba Katoto.